Hi, welcome to Barney Tech channel.
Here we are going to see the best method for choosing the solar system for your homes. Powering the future, the role of solar energy in domestic use. Today I want to talk about something that's shining brighter than ever. Solar panel or the world grabs with climate change, rising energy demand and needs for clean energy source. Solar energy stand out as one of the most suitable solution. What is solar panel? The solar panel are the device that converts sunlight into electricity. They are harmless in nature, the power from the sun, a source that is abundant, renewable, and complete free. Unlike fossil fuel, solar energy does not pollute the environment and will never run out. Of course, there are some challenges such as initial installation cost and the inability to generate the power at night. We will explore this briefly. The solar cell, the smallest unit that converts sunlight to electricity. If you go for solar module, is the group of solar cell combined together. Then if you go for solar panel, a group of solar module forms a solar panel. If the group of solar panel combines, then we known as solar array. Now let's look at where they are used. Solar modules are ideal for low power applications such as street light, emergency light and small electronics application. Solar panels suitable for powering home and a small scale industry usage. Solar arrays are used in large scale solar power plant that produce significant amount of electricity. Now we are going to see the different method of solar power we can use in domestical. Case 1. Full solar power home with battery backup. If you want to depend on completely on solar energy, remember the solar power is not available at night. So you will need to store energy during the daytime. Let me see how it is going to work. Solar panel charges a battery through charging control and inverter. The battery is used to take a return power during the night time through inverter. This setup is required battery which increase the cost and require maintenance, but it provide independent from the grid. Case 2. Hybrid solar system without battery. This budget-friendly option used for solar energy during the daytime and it switched to regular grid power at night. No battery needs. Now it see is working. The solar energy is fed to inverter. The inverter is connected to the source selection. That switch between the solar and grid power based on the voltage availability. This is a cost-effective and low-maintenance solution for reducing electricity bill. Case 3. This method is also hybrid, commonly used in the area where the frequently power outage. Solar energy is mainly used to charge the battery, which powers the house during the blackout. Now we will see it's working. The solar panel will charge the battery. During the power cut, the battery will provide the backup power. This system is useful in the area with unreliable grid power cut. Unnecessary if power cut in your area, you can use this system. Based on these three cases, you can choose the best solar system for your needs. Now we are going to see the solar power plant layout. In the large scale power plant, the multi-solar array will collect the sunlight. The power flow into the power module that convert DC to AC. The AC output we are going to connect it to the LV side of the transformer. On the HV side of the transformer is connected to breaker which is controlled by the production panel. The output is finally connected to the power grid. On next section, I will make a video focusing on production panel in detail.
We came to the end of this section. See you on next video. If you like this section, then please share to your friends and colleagues. Take care and bye from Barney Tech channel. Thank you for watching this video.